Hey there, para folks! In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase money instantly in Paralives. Using a money cheat is one of the most popular features in a free build life simulation game. This is also a feature found in other similar games like The Sims. What you'll want to do first is open the console window by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus C on your keyboard. This will open the cheat command window, commonly known as the console. Once you have the console open, type set money followed by any amount of money you want, just like this, then press enter. This command will instantly set your current money to the amount you entered, as you can see right here. I personally like using this for build mode, since house building is one of the most fun parts of any life simulation game. You can also revert your money back to its original amount by opening the console again and entering the value you had before using the cheat. And that's how to increase money instantly in Paralives. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.